Hey guys, this is Bryan with Troubleshooting Technologies. Today we're going to be hydroblasting this chrome piece. We're going to be seeing if the chrome is impacted or not within this process. Also, take a look at the dirt, the debris, the grime that's stuck under there. We're going to be seeing if this is going to be removed through this hydroblasting process as well. Let's check it out, guys. Hey guys, Bryan back with you with Troubleshooting Technologies. We just got done hydroblasting this chrome piece right here, and I mean wow, as sensitive chrome is, this piece still remained intact. And let's flip to the underside as well. We did a lot of degreasing, a lot of removing of the dirt, the gunk that was left over here, probably caked for some years as well. But our hydroblasting process really complemented this application right here, and we do know it's going to serve as an application towards your process as well. Give us a call, shoot us a text, an email, but especially a call at 828-202-5563.